Hi everyone, Tom from VIP Security, and today I'll be showing you how to activate the strobe light and siren on your HiLook ACDC camera. So first things first, if you're on your full screen view here, you just want to right click anywhere, then left click on exit full screen, then left click on configuration. Once in config, just want to left click on event here. Once in event, left click on smart events. And bear in mind you will have to have a smart event or line crossing detection enabled to link to the strobe light and siren of your HiLook ACDC camera. If you don't know how to do that, I'll link a video below. Then you just want to come to linkage action and then just tick the two boxes here if you want the strobe light and siren. If you only want one of them, just tick one box. Then left click apply here. Now I'll show you how to activate it on the HiConnect app. So tapping this bell icon here will arm and disarm the camera. So right now with the line through the bell, the camera is disarmed. So I'll rearm it and then I'll demonstrate how this HiLook ACDC camera works.